Welcome to RC Gardner Plumbing and Heating, the specialists in renewable energy installations. We specialise in creating energy from the heat of nature and are confident that we can exceed all your requirements. Our gas-safe registered team provide a professional, friendly and punctual service and can assist you with heating system design and installation, oil tank replacements, system upgrades, underfloor heating, solar hot water boilers, servicing and maintenance and so much more. We're also available 24/7 in case of an emergency. Get in touch with us today.